welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another vlog, you guys. Now currently the time is 12:22 p.m. That is good afternoon हो चुकी है and right now I'm going to do my स्किन केयर एंड आज मैं एक एडिशनल स्टेप करने वाली हूँ. सो व्हाट दैट इज, आई विल फर्स्ट क्लेंज माई फेस एंड देन आई विल टेल यू व्हाट दैट इज. सो या, done with my face wash. Now patting my face dry. Now I'm using this sheet mask and मैंने इसे ऑर्डर किया है from Zepto. मैं sheet mask बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ, but I hope I will build this habit of doing self care pretty often. This is from Quench, made in Korea. So okay, wow, it smells so good. It is so much drenched in serum, I tell you. Okay, now let's apply it. This feels so good, you guys. It is said कि you need to just relax for 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm gonna do so. Guys, it's been good 20 minutes. Now it's time to remove this sheet mask. Wow, this feels so good. I will try to do this activity quite often. Now I'm taking this sheet mask and rubbing it all over my neck. Hello my precious people, I just got done with my shower and now I am sitting to get ready because I need to film certain videos. So let me just film those videos first and then I'll catch you. Guys, I am done filming. I shot 2 shorts video and I shot a long form video जो आज ही मैं upload कर दूँगी. So yeah, that's the thing. Now I am heading out and where am I going? So there is a salon open nearby, so I thought why not just go, and if I like the service then I will opt for pedicure. By the way, before going, let me show you my perfume of the day, and this is again from Layer Water Girl and it is in the variant Tuscan Green, this one. So this is my favorite. वैसे मैंने इनका 4 का पैक परचेज किया है and this one is bomb.com. I love this one out of all the 4. So yeah, now let's go and first have lunch and uske baad we'll go to the salon. Guys, here I am at the salon, just 2 to 3 minutes away from my place. After waiting for some time, I sat down for my pedicure and the very first thing was clipping my toenails, and uske baad she applied cuticle cream, I guess, and then she told me that I need to dip my feet in hot water. Trust me, this felt so good. And see, the lights are changing, quite fancy है ना. And इस moment पे I was really liking how the hot water felt. It was so relaxing. But then actual pedicure process started. The brush she used to clean my feet, that was quite stiff and it was poking the skin on my feet so much, and this was not a good experience. Anyways, moving ahead, then came the main part of the pedicure process, that is callus removal. This was the main reason I wanted to go for a pedicure, and I will be very honest, she removed the callus very well and this was not painful at all. Just that the way she twisted and turned my feet, I don't know how to address it, but she was not properly able to place my feet. Anyways, uske baad it was time for the most painful process of this pedicure, and I think it was nail filing, and ये बहुत ज़्यादा painful था, but I think it was worth it because it removed the yellow layer from my nails जो nail paint की वजह से हुई थी. And उसके बाद she scrubbed my feet using pumice stone, and then it was time to remove tanning from my feet, and for that उन्होंने सबसे पहले scrub किया and then she applied a cream and she massaged my feet, and this was quite relaxing. But at the same time I was quite restless because इस point पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा time हो चुका था and I wanted to come back home because I had my tuitions. So I asked her to be a little quick, and then she applied mask. She kept it for about 15 minutes and uske baad she washed it off, and here I am back home. I liked my feet, but one strange thing happened was she did not apply any cream or even nail paint. Anyways, now it's time for tuitions. Okay, I just got done with my tuitions and here I have my Nika parcel. So let's open it together. And where should I place you guys? Okay, I'll stick you guys here. Okay. I don't have a cutter downstairs, so I'm using knife. I was waiting so much for this. नायका ने इसकी डिलीवरी करने के लिए बहुत समय लगाया है, 2 बार डिलीवरी डिले हुई है एंड फाइनली आई रिसीव्ड इट. मैंने इस बार ऑर्डर किया है दिस विच इज़ फ्रॉम स्टेज. Again, my very first purchase from Stays. Next thing is my very favorite. It is this 2% kojic acid fess 2% kojic acid face cream. So yeah, that's that. And that is it. मैंने सिर्फ 2 ही प्रोडक्ट्स ऑर्डर किए हैं दिस टाइम फ्रॉम नायका. उनकी पिंक फ्राइडे सेल शुरू थी आई थिंक. सो या दैट्स दैट. Guys, I am back. Feel so tired, but still I wanted to speak to all of you guys about the pedicure that we did. Let me tell you कि वो आज के दिन planned नहीं था. It was very abrupt kind of a plan. I have mixed feelings about the pedicure that we did. Now firstly let me tell you what happened. So I asked for the pedicure price. वैसे तो मुझे pedicure करवाना ही था काफ़ी समय पहले से, बट आई नेवर फेल्ट कि चलो अभी ही करवा लेते हैं. एंड टुडे आई हैड द चांस टू गो, सो आई वेंट देयर. एंड द थिंग वॉज कि आई आस्क्ड हर कि व्हाट इज़ द कॉस्ट ऑफ पेडिक्योर एंड व्हाट इज़ द टाइम दैट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द सेशन. सो शी सेड कि आधे घंटे में हो जाएगा मैम. So I was like, fine, I have half an hour, but she ended up taking 1 hour. Staff was extremely very polite. One thing that I did not like about it, firstly when I asked them about the costing, they told me that it would be for 800 rupees. 500 से start होगा and 800 rupees maximum. जो the best one है वो 800 में हो जाएगा. But when I sat to do that, the girl she came and told me कि मैम 800 नहीं है 1000 रुपीज़ है. सो मैं इसी को कंटिन्यू करूँ या फिर मैं 800 वाले पे स्विच कर दूँ. एंड शी सेड दैट शी वॉज नॉट कंफर्म अबाउट द costing of that particular pedicure and it was not believable because भाई तुम्हारा डेली का काम है ये and you are not aware of the costing. She said sorry and stuff. I was like चलो ठीक है जाने दो. I did not switch. I went ahead with the same one which costed me 1000 rupees because मैं already I had sat down and I think 2 steps हो चुके थे. So in between I did not want to switch the products. So yeah, that was the thing. That's why I decided that I will go with this 1000 rupee pedicure तो मैं खुद से ही करती थी हर बार घर पे ही. And also manicure. And today I did pedicure from a professional. I don't know, I have mixed feelings because I feel कि when you do pedicure or manicure all by yourself, you seem to be थोड़ा सा lenient because you know the amount of pain you can handle. You know your pain threshold, but they don't, right? So yeah, that was the thing. She was like, मैम पेन थोड़ा सा होता ही है. आई फेल्ट कि पेनफुल था. विल आई गो फॉर अ पेडिक्योर अगेन? सो नो, आई वोंट. I will do it all by myself. Now I will quickly go, change, remove all this makeup and do my nighttime skincare and I'll catch you then. Guys, just got done with my skincare and currently the time is 8:53 p.m. So let's go downstairs and watch Big Boss because आज है Big Boss का grand finale. And who is your favorite? Who do you want to win? वैसे तो my favorite is GK Gaurav Khanna. I loved how elegantly he played the game. Let's just quickly go downstairs and Big Boss देखते देखते we will have our dinner. Guys, here starts the finale. Right now I am having my dinner, but his performance started, इसीलिए I started recording. So he is my favorite. I hope he wins today. This is how I am enjoying my weekend, you guys. Superb, isn't it? Here comes my favorite number 2, that is Praneet More. He also played very, very, very well. He is from Maharashtra and so am I. And the winner is Gaurav Khanna. Yay!
the best.
Hello, my precious people. This is Editor Win reporting live from the editing table. So, it's been 2 days since I shot this vlog, but while editing, I realized that I did not have the closing clip, that is, जो end की clip होती है. I lost that. I don't know. I think I happened to delete it by mistake. So, here I am concluding this vlog. So if you like such kind of vlogs, then please give it a big fat thumbs up, share as much as possible, subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my socials, link in the description bar below. Also write down in the comment section what do you want to see next. Remember, your wish is my command. Until then, this is Maven signing off. I shall see you all in my next video. Bye.